Okay, good morning folks. It is the Saturday the 3rd of July 2010. Just going to take a quick look at the USCAD for the week ahead, and actually we'll take a wee look back as well, because you'll know on my weekly outlook last week I was looking to sell that to buy off the high here at the 1.0310 level. We didn't quite get down there, unfortunately. If we just take a quick look back here to the beginning of last week. Let me just add in more bars here. Let's say 2000, that'd be enough. I'll go 5. Okay, so Monday looking to buy off of that 310 level. Where are we? That's not it. I'll put it in here anyway. Okay, so Monday looking to buy from that 310 level down there. Okay, so we already had it marked. I'll just get rid of this one. Right, so I was looking to buy this 310 level based on the daily chart, still being bullish on this daily chart. Unfortunately, we just didn't quite get down there. Got to within sort of 8 pips of that level on the day. So it was a bit unfortunate there that we missed that one, but like I said in the room this week, the analysis was fine. We just didn't quite get down there. We got to within sort of 8 pips and gave a perfect signal there. I mean, the risk on that trade would have been about 11-12 pips maximum, and that was exactly what I was looking for. So I was a wee bit a wee bit annoyed about that, to be honest. That we just didn't. All we had to do was come down another 8 pips, but it's just a bit unlucky. But like I said in the we did the training on Thursday, I think it was Thursday or Friday, and like I said in there, if I wait for these setups, then when they come, they're really powerful and they're low risk, high reward. So yeah, which is why I was saying that I really enjoyed doing the training, because it kind of helped me sort of get back to make sure I don't get complacent and just look for setups anywhere, which I've done in the past, but I need to remember that I've also done in the past these kind of trades where I've waited, and they really do pay off. I mean, this is an example of it here. Okay, we didn't quite get into the trade, but would have been probably about, let's say, the 25 level even. So like that's 300 pips the position would be up, risking about 10-11 pips. So like I say, you only need 1 or 2 of these, three or 4 of them even a year, and that's all you need for your year, and you can have a really good year. So just really unlucky this week, just another 8 pips and we'd have been into that position. That was the plan. So but the market just didn't quite play ball there. So we'll see how this one goes for the rest of this week. So what I'm going to do here now, we've not actually quite posted the higher high yet. So I would actually prefer to see us come through and post the higher high before we have a thrust bar. Although, I mean, we could just go from here and post the higher low and then post the higher high later on. But it would be good to see us post a higher high first, and then come back, have the thrust bar, and then have a bit of a retracement. So I'm going to keep an eye on this 440 level here. If we do make a thrust bar and we come down to there, I'd expect the market to start to look for some support around about there, and to carry on this uptrend. If we look on the monthly, we actually had a positive close to the monthly in the end. If you remember, even I think last week we were down around here, and I mentioned that we could easily bounce from that level. I was looking at the 310 and finish up closing the month, in a decent position, I said, and it wouldn't look like that in a bad month. But we actually ended up removing the level to the close, and you can see already we've had a small test of that level. We went down as low as 555, and we've bounced like 70 pips from there already. So things are definitely looking a bit better here for the USCAD. Plenty of time though to even get involved. If we don't get in at that 440 level, We're still looking at a weekly trade, possibly playing out sometime in the future here at the 1.1023. If we can break that level, have a bit of a retracement from there, then we could be moving up towards the 1.25 area quite easily, up towards, it's not even up to these highs that we made the last couple of years, 2008 there. So I mean, there's still loads of room to get involved in here. 1.121, and then we've got a second target up there around about the 1.2. So I mean, overall, there is loads of time to get involved in this trade, and so basically going into Monday, I'll be keeping an eye on this 440 level, just seeing how the market kind of reacts first. Though I'd like to see if we do push higher to make a higher high, or if we make the thrust bar. So I'll probably, it's not really a definite that I'm going to go for this level. I want to see how the market kind of reacts first, see where we go from current levels before I do. But I'll be sure, obviously, to let you guys know in the room when and if I'm going to take the trade. Okay, cheers.